Hi guys, I am here to show you today how to log into our Google Classroom and how to access all the materials that you will need for next week when we start our online learning. So if you go to your browser and you go to the Southern York County School District website, you will go to the student portal. Once you get to the student portal, you're going to want to click on Google Classroom. At this point, it will prompt you to log in. So I think there'll be a colorful G will pop up. You can click on the Google Easy Login button and you'll log in. And your login information is your lunch number, followed by an S at student.sycsd.org. Your password is just your lunch number. But over on the side, I am going to be logging in today as Evie. Thank you, Evie, for letting me use your browser just to show you what it looks like from a student's perspective. So when they actually log in, you will see all their classes pop up. So their first grade class is still there from last year. So please click on Our Classroom. This is the stream page. We're not going to use this page. It's just pretty much everything that I've ever posted on Google Classroom, and it's pretty overwhelming. So just ignore this page pretty much. That's why up here it says, please go to our classroom, our classwork page to see how to complete your online learning. So up at the top here, you're going to click on classwork. Okay, then there's a please read first section, directions. Number 1, all assignments are under the current week we are on, attach the schedule. Please click on the week 1 schedule link. There you will find all the assignments and links to the activities you are going to work on this week. Each day you will do an assignment and then choose one additional assignment from the choice boards. Please see the link for choice board, for math choice board, or reading writing ELA choice board for the worksheets that go along with these activities. The next one, it says, do not turn in any of the worksheets until the last day of the week if it prompts you to do so. So sometimes when you're in a worksheet on Google Classroom, there'll be a little blue button up in the corner here that will say turn in. Please don't click on that until the end of the week, because once you turn something in, you can't refer back to it. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in a moment. Under the choice board worksheets, I have a daily check-in for you to complete each day. That if you could click on each day and then complete it first thing in the morning. I also have attached GoNoodles and directed drawings for you to do if you ever need a break throughout the day. So I'm going to show you what this kind of looks like. So here are the brain breaks and popular links. So I have Epic Books here, our Foundations Practice link, and the directed drawing, brain breaks, and GoNoodles. If you just click on it, there's a bunch of things that you can click on if you want to do some of these activities. Okay, so here is the week of April 6th. This is what you're going to focus on this week. So you'll click on week 1 schedule. And then here is what you'll click on to open up this. So this is basically what you need to do each day. So, and they're going to be pretty much the exact same thing. We're going to try and keep it very simple for you. For day 1, day 2, and day 3, it's, like I said, the exact same thing. You need to read for 20 minutes, and I've attached here to use Reading A to Z or Epic Books if you want, or you can read a book at home. Doesn't matter. And you'll choose an activity from the choice board. As you see here, this is in blue because it's a link. If I click on that, this should pop up, and then I can click on that after. Then here appears the ELA choice board. You need to do one of these every day. So if it's logging into iReady to go onto the reading section, please do that. If you'd like to do the Alila or the Foundations practice, do that. You can do a buddy read, write the author, sports directions, write a thank you note, write a script, or opinion writing. As you can see here, if you choose opinion writing, this will last you the whole week. So this would be the only choice that you would make for that week. And then if you wanted to do the opinion writing, you're going to want to click on the blue link again, and then it'll give you the directions on how to actually complete the opinion writing lesson for the whole week. Okay. Back here, if I go to math, you're doing iReady lessons for 20 minutes, and then you'll choose an activity from the math choice board. So click again, I see the blue link, I'm going to click on it. And here's the math choice board. So you can listen to a story about measurement, go outside and measure anything. There's some different games you can play, math fact worksheets, how to measure with a ruler type things, iReady learning games, measuring 5 things in your house. This one here is the actual iReady measurement lesson. If you choose to do this, this will also cover you for the whole week. So this would be the only choice that you would make that week. Again, if you see a blue link, it's because it's going to take you somewhere. This will take you to a video, to listen to a story, and these will take you to a worksheet that you are able to complete. You can either print this out at home, you can write them down yourself if you would like, or I do have for you, if I would go back to my page here, any worksheets or reading or writing worksheets that would be in the choice board are here for you. So if I wanted to choose to do the math fact worksheet, here they are. I can just type and put them into the Google slide. If I was choosing to do the measurement worksheet, here it is, and there's a ruler attached for you to measure. If I wanted to work on the actual measurement lesson, here are the pages that I would be working on, and the whole thing would need to be completed by the end, those 3 days for math. For reading, if I wanted to do from the choice board, again, the opinion writing, here's a paper for you. If I wanted to do the script writing, if I wanted to write a thank you note, if I wanted to do a letter to the author or write support directions, there are papers for you there if you would choose to use those. If when you're finished, if for some reason it prompts you to turn in your worksheets, like I was saying earlier, please do not do that, because if you turn it in, you can't go back. So let's say Monday I did the script writing and I hit the turn in button. I can't get back to this document ever again. So I won't have access to the thank you note writing or the letter to the author or the support directions. So please only turn something in at the very end of the week if it prompts you to do so. It might not tell you to turn in anything, which is fine with me. So those are this is the how to get to the schedule, which is where you get to the links for what we are doing for the day. After ELA and math, you will have science and social studies. There is a 3-day plant lesson. You'll click on the link and it will take you to what you were supposed to do for the plant lesson. So day 1, you're going to watch a mystery science video. Again, if you see a blue link, it's because it's a link. Click on it. It will take you to the website. Complete this activity. Click on it. It'll take you to the extension activity. Last thing, click on it. It will take you to the activity. Okay. Back here, right now, specials is blank because I have not received that yet, but you will have an activity for art, music, or PE or library. Something will come up for you to complete as like a special for the day. Okay, back to my Google Classroom then. So week of April 6th. So you have the schedule. I went over the math worksheets for the choice boards, the reading and writing worksheets. Here is the check-ins that I was talking about earlier. So every day, so Monday, day 1, you'll click on it, you'll click on the slide. If you could please just tell me how you're feeling that day, that would be wonderful. You'll just drag the icon that you're feeling into the circle. And then here where it says I feel that way because, please type and tell me how it is that you're feeling and why it is that way that you're feeling. Okay. And I'll be able to see that also then. And then at the very end of the week, it says end of week check-in. You're going to please complete this form at the end of the week when you're finished all your assignments. And this is basically the way that I'm making sure that you're doing some of these things at home. So you'll just put your first and last name in here, check off the 3 things that you did for your choice board, check off the 3 things you did for your math choice board. Did you do the plant lesson? Yes or no? Did you read 20 minutes every day? Yes or no? Did you do iReady for 20 minutes every day? Yes or no? And then you'll hit this purple submit button when you are finished. So that is pretty much the gist of our Google Classroom. I hope that has given you some insight and helpfulness on what we are going to be doing in the next few weeks. Please reach out if you have any questions. Again, I'm going to be having office hours every Tuesday and Thursday, the same exact time. I will be posting a link on here. I can post it, or even on ClassDojo or through email, and I'll let you know when those will be. And I will be there to help you as a parent with whatever you need. If you ever need an appointment with just me, with just some one-on-one time, even I'm willing to work with your child with any of their assignments that they're doing, please just reach out to me if any way that I can possibly help you. Okay, hope this is informative for you. Please let me know if there's anything else I can do. Thank you. Have a great day.